How to navigate Substack on desktop. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up for that. Let's just dive right into the video and get started. First of all, obviously we need to log in. So go to substack.com here and log in into your account. If you're not logged in, you can enter up your email or your password. After logging in, you will be landing on your dashboard. So here we can see our dashboard right here. We can look out for other people's posts here, subscriptions, chat, activity menu in on left hand side, and this is our home base. Now, if we want to create a post, we can look out for this option called create, and we can start creating our post here. Otherwise, look out for a profile option and click on it. And here we'll be finding activity and a section called post. Click on it, and you can click on this option called create your first post. After that, you can click on start publishing and choose a Substack URL, provide it up. After that, you just need to write in your content and you can choose whether you want free or paid, and just go over and publish it. And when you head over to this post section right here, you can just go over and view all the posts. You can edit all of your posts and even delete your post here. Apart from that, we have read section. We can click on it where we'll be finding a subscription. So we can see our readers, our free versus paid users. You can click on those and go ahead and view their profile right here. If you want to customize your publication, what we can do is once we are here, we can go to our settings. Look out for the more option for that in the bottom left and select the option of settings here and open up our publication page. Now here we have name, logo, phone, address, such kind of information that we can customize. You can just go and change it up. We have subscriptions as well. Apart from that, notifications, content preferences, what you would like to prefer on your Substack, and our privacy section as well, and many more. You can just go over and see and change up the settings for what readers can see, your welcome page, etc. If you want to look out for your inbox or reader, we have this chat option on the left hand side. We can click on it. And here, if we have any kind of inbox, we can see it from here. We can read posts from other writers if they have sent us and discover content as well. And that's it. Usually you can look out for this dashboard daily to track your growth. We have mixed free plus paid posts. We can review our site before publishing in order to do so. So that's it, everybody. This is a very simple and short Substack navigation on desktop. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.